Dr. Marcus Bullen. I serve as principal of Huntley High School in Huntley, Illinois. My building is just under 3,000 kids. It is the largest entity in our county. And when we look at where kids are, what kids are doing, and school safety being the pinnacle of that, right? We want to make sure that we know who's in our building when they check out of our building. Well, we have anywhere between 200 to 300 kids that are coming and going every period of the day. So that was the reason we needed to find a system that was going to help us do that. Just checking in, checking out. And so now we're bathroom passes, and we are looking at the platform to really get students involved in the work. No one told me, well, you live on your phone all day. Like, you have an app to be able to tell you those things. And so you may get a point to go to a football game, but you may get 10 points to go to a school play. And so we're really trying to look at it to increase engagement as well. Showing up is a behavior, right? Like, it's something that you internalize to know if it's important to you, you'll be there for it. And so when kids come to school, like, I want them to be there, but I also want them to show up to the spaces in which they need to be. And so our the tardy management side of it for us is, you're here or you're not here. But when kids are held accountable and they can look at their menu, they know where they need to be, they know what time they need to be there, and then being able to see what's going on around you. It's an online community that I think will ignite how kids engage in school differently. I mean, when we started talking about developing a student leader or student social media team, and really giving students the ability to be the student leader in Minga and have that access and the ability to lead from a student's perspective. The challenge we're having right now is we're doing all the work. Schools aren't about us anymore. It's always been about our kids. Coming out of the pandemic was real hard. It was real hard to create that sense of community that existed in schools prior to the pandemic. And now we have a platform that we can really dive in more to create that sense of community and celebration beyond the classroom. It isn't just a check-in, check-out system. It isn't just tracking tardies and attendance. It's also about saying, hey, here's an event that's going on. It's about us having to learn a system to create the conditions and the environment for our students to thrive and for them to be safe and valued and seen